in the county may lead to power blackouts due to lightning strikes and thunderstorms, which will negatively impact on businesses, homes, and industries, especially in the afternoons during heavy rains, which is usually accompanied by lightning and thunderstorms. The energy sector is therefore advised to cut or strip hanging branches near power lines to minimize hazards caused by trees or branches falling on power lines. In disaster management sector, are likely to experience outbreaks of diseases that are associated with enhanced rainfall, such as malaria, respiratory diseases, vector and waterborne diseases, cholera, typhoid, sector and waterborne diseases, for instance, cholera and typhoid. The Ministry of Health should be on the lookout for such cases. Healthy sector is also advised to enhance disease surveillance and early detection systems for diseases like malaria, dengue, and trachoma. Hospitals should be equipped with necessary drugs to be able to deal with such situations as they arise. Rainfall is likely to make the soils and the rocks loose and heavy. Therefore, people working at quarries should avoid taking shelter in the quarry caves, since the soils and the rocks may fall on them. The county governments of Kisii and Nyamira and the National Disaster Operations Centers are therefore advised to be on standby in order to ensure community lives and livelihoods are safeguarded. In health sector, in transport sector, transport and public safety sector, muddy and slippery conditions are likely to be experienced on various weather roads in several parts of the counties of the Nyamira and the Kisii counties. Motorists are therefore advised to drive carefully in order to avoid accidents that may originate from such slippery conditions. This may lead to transport problems, especially during rush hours, and more so in areas where the roads become impassable whenever it rains. Quality monitoring and provide information to communities about safe water practices and also provide access to clean and safe drinking water sources. Also, they should also improve sanitation facilities and promote hygiene education. Activity decline in areas with nutrients leaching, impacting agricultural performance, reducing yields and affecting food